Who got Instagram? Who got Instagram? Who sucks dick? Yeah. This round they rage quit, man. Who sucks dick? Is it who we talk about this dumb Instagram, right? Right? That's what we got to figure out, right? See this? 1, 2. Look at this. Right? 1, 2. That's some tile for you. That's the tile you want for your floors, right? Uh-huh. But let's go this one right here, the try, right? Bertie, trying to help you out. Get it? Bertie. Echoes of the wisdom. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Vengeance. I like how surprised that one looks. See? It's a 1-2 surprise. Mm-hmm. I can't, man. Can you imagine? Like, there's like a lot of videos. Instagram. Instagram.